sweet family and friends. I'm back. This video is actually going to be a super fun video. It is a holiday, like glamorous, not too glamorous because I'm not glamorous. Get ready with me video. I'm clearly still in my pajamas, haven't done my hair, haven't brushed my teeth. I'll get there, I promise. But first, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll come back and show you the after. But first of all, my name is Corey. I am a full-time working mom. I have 4 kids, 3 girls, 1 boy, and I am married to my high school sweetheart. And on my channel, I film cleaning, beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. So basically everything that has to do with being a mom. This video is going to be in collaboration with my friend Sarah, and I'm going to go ahead and let her tell you a little bit about who she is right now.
Hey you guys, my name is Sarah and I'm a mom, a stepmom, and a working mom, and I'm so excited to be doing this collab with Corey today. We are both sharing our spin on a holiday glam makeup look for an event or party, so I hope that you find some inspiration from our videos. And after you're done watching Corey's video, I'd love for you to come over and say hi and check out my channel as well. I make content on anything mom life and videos that have to do with the home, so I hope that y'all decide to come on over, and I can't wait to meet you guys.
So this is a Christmas / holiday get ready with me, and it'll turn out however it turns out, but it is in collaboration with the fabulous and beautiful Sarah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stop talking. I'm going to speed up the process. Get ready. I will put like a little notation somewhere on the screen of what it is that I am using at every step of the way. And then at the end of me filming, I will come back and show you exactly what it is that I have on my face and what I look like basically from, you know, my shirt up, because most of us mamas film in our sweatpants. So there's that. Okay guys, all right. Give me just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get this party started. I am using the ColourPop lip primer as my eyeshadow primer. You guys, if you have not tried this, I swear by it, your eyeshadow will last days without fail. It is definitely a secret of mine that I swear by. I will do my very best of putting the actual names of the eyeshadows down in the description bar. If I do not get to it and you really want to know the names of the shadows, please just leave me a comment and I will get to it as soon as I can. That was the Tarte Man-Eater eyeliner, and you guys, it had like gray, gross shadowing all over it, and I got so grossed out, so I threw that away. I will not be putting that on my eyes, and as soon as I am done with this video, I will be washing my face. Also, this lipstick that I put on was disgusting, so I wipe it off. You'll see that here in just a second. I couldn't take it, so I wipe it off. Alrighty, guys. This is my final look. This is one of my 2 holiday looks that I will be posting. The other one may be before this or after this. Either way, I will have 2 in the month of December. Thank you so much, Sarah, for doing this video with me. I absolutely adore you, and I am so thankful that I get to do life with you and have such a sweet friend in you. Thank you so much for being you, and thank you so much for wanting to be a part of my life and my journey. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I love you all, and do not forget to hug and love your families. Love you guys. Bye.